Hello students, today we are continue the topic compound angles. Let us go for one more problem. Find the value of tan 105 degrees. Listen, the problem is find the value of tan 105 degrees. Value of tan 105 degrees. Understand? Solution. Tan 105 degrees can be written as like this: tan 1 into 90 degrees plus 15 degrees. Tan 1 into 90 plus 15 using the first principle, using the simple principle, one odd number, tan changes to cot, angle 15 degrees. 1 into 90 plus 15 degrees angle lies in second quadrant. Cot 15, I have already told you, tan 75 degrees equal to cot 15 degrees. So, minus of the value is equal to 2 plus root 3. Tan 75 equals to cot 15 degrees. So, tan 105 degrees should be equal to minus of 2 plus root 3. Let us go for one more question. Find the value of cot 105 degrees. Find the value of cot 105 degrees. Understand? So, its solution is cot 105 degrees equals to cot 1 into 90 degrees plus 15 degrees. Cot 1 into 90 plus 15 using simple principle. Cot changes to tan. Angle 15 degrees, second quadrant minus. I have already told you how to find cot 75. Cot 75 value equal to how much? Tan 15 degrees. So, this should be minus cot 75 value is 2 minus root 3. Understand? So, let us go for another question. As like this, the question is, we are going to find the value of simplify. The another question is simplify cos 100 degrees, cos 40 degrees, cos 100 degrees into cos 40 degrees plus sin 100 degrees into sin 40 degrees. I have already told you some formulae as like this. One of the formula is cos of A minus B. Now this is in the form of question. Its solution is, consider cos 100 degrees, cos 40 degrees, cos 100, cos 40 plus sin 100 sin 40 degrees. Now this is in the form of cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So the formula is equals to cos of A minus B. Understand? A value 100, B value 40. The value should be equals to cos of 100 minus 40. 100 minus 40 nothing but how much? Cos 60. Cos 60 value is how much? 1 by 2. Understand? Let us go for another question. Find the value of, another question is find the value of, as like this. Simplify cot 55 degrees, cot 35 degrees minus 1 all by cot 55 degrees plus cot 35 degrees. So, solution. Consider cot 55 degrees, cot 35 minus 1 all by cot 55 plus cot 35 degrees. This is in the form of cot B cot A minus 1 by cot B plus cot A. Formula cot of A plus B. Understand? This is the formula. Cot B cot A minus 1 by cot B plus cot A. So equal to how much? Cot of 55 degrees plus 35 degrees. 55 plus 35 how much? Cot 90. Cot 90 means reciprocal of tan 90. Tan 90 is infinity. Cot 90 how much? 1 by infinity. So value is how much? 0. Let us go for one more question as like this. Okay, next question is simplify tan of, next question, simplify tan of pi by 4 plus theta into tan of pi by 4 minus theta. Okay, this is, we are going to simplify the value. Solution. Consider tan of pi by 4 plus theta into tan of pi by 4 minus theta. Okay. Now going to simplify the value as like this. Tan of A plus B formula. Tan of, this is in the form of tan of A plus B, tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Okay. Now second formula, tan of A minus B formula, tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Okay. Now this can be tan pi by 4. Pi by 4 means how many degrees? 45. Tan 45 how much? 1. Tan pi by 4 how much? 1. 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta into 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. 1 minus tan theta get cancelled, 1 plus tan theta get cancelled. What will come here? 1 will come. Understand? Next question. Simplify. Another question is simplify. Okay. Now simplify the value of sine 1 simplify sine 1140 degrees into cos 390 minus cos 780 degrees into sine 750 degrees. Okay. Now this can be taken as our simplifying in this way, like this. First of all, consider sine 1140 degrees. This is can be taken as sine 1140 degrees. Do like this. Rough work 1140. Suppose dividing by 9, assuming 9 as 90 degrees. Okay. 9 ones are 9. Subtract it 4. 9 twos are 18. 6. So 0. 60 means it can be written as 12 into 90 plus 60 degrees. Okay. As like this, when we have to dividing by 9, assume it as 90 degrees. Okay. 12 9s are 108. Okay. Plus 60. 1080 plus 60. 1140. Okay. As like this. 1080 like this. Okay. Now let us applying the formula. Simple principle. 12 even number. Sin 60. 12 plus some angle 13th quadrant. 13th quadrant means first quadrant plus value. This value is how much? Sin 60. Okay, enough. Now next step. Cos 390 degrees. Cos 390 can be written as cos. Again, this can be written as like this. 4 into 90 plus 30 degrees. 4 into 90, 360 plus 30. 4 even number, cos 30. Fifth quadrant, positive. Cos 780. Cos 780 can be written as cos 8 into 90 plus 60. 72. cos 60, 8 plus 1, ninth quadrant, first quadrant. Next one, continuation is as like this. Okay, sin 750 degrees, sin, okay, 8 into 90 plus 30, okay, sin 30, 8 into 90 plus 30 lies in first quadrant, okay. Now sin 1140 cos 390 minus cos 780 sin 750 equals to 1140 sin 60 cos 30 minus cos 60 sin 30, okay. Sin, this is in the form of sin A cos B minus cos A sin B equals to sin of A minus B, okay. This can be taken as sin of 60 minus 30 sin 30, how much will come? 1 by 2 will come. Understand? This value is equal to how much? 1 by 2. Understand? Okay. Now let us take one more value. Okay. We are going to find one more thing. Find the value of, or simplify as like this, okay, tan 75 degrees plus cot 75 degrees, cot 75. Now going to simplify it, tan 75 plus cot 75. We know the value of tan 75 degrees, 2 plus root 3, cot 75, 2 minus root 3, what are get cancelled? Root 3 get cancelled, will come as 4. This is our required result. Understand? The remaining we should do in the next class. Understand? Okay.